Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, I've clearly told you that the pre-election movement was very volatile as compared to what we have seen before. Okay, and the today is election result day. So what we have seen, it has a sharp fall. There is a continuous downfall because we have seen the dollar index started going upside. That is where the price has fall down. Okay, and this was the good volatility we have seen. So I have given a sell at this position that as soon as the price started going below a level of 2734, we can see a further downfall. And one more important thing I have told you, that if the price and keep trailing by $7 or $10 when the movement is high. Okay, so you can capture a big movement towards downside. See, this is the next level which I have told you that 2687 is a strong level. So a bounce back can come from this level, but if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see. The price has made a low of around $2653. After that, it sustained this level because see, if you look at this particular level, this is the level we have seen a bounce back come. But probability can be high that if the price started falling below this level also, we can see it can go towards 2632, or once started moving out of that zone, we can see it can come and move below a level of 2623, and then from there it can go below a level of $2608. That is already being tested, so chances of further fall we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we have seen, if you look at the trend according to this particular level, we have seen at this level, this trend, if you make a trend on out of this particular level, we can see at this level, a level of around 2713, there is a trend breaking on the downside, so chances that was very high it can break this particular level. So two patterns we have seen. At this particular pattern, a break has happened as toward downfall, as well as a dollar index started going upside. Okay, now if the price started going above a level of 2685, then only we can see it can sustain this level and chances of going upside will be there. Okay, so you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, if the price started going higher, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, or if started falling below this particular level, then we can see it will fall further down. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend of see, there is a sharp fall we have seen. So probability will be very high that if the price started going above a level of 2685, a further upside, but if started falling below 2651, then a further downfall, and a probability of touching 2632 will be there, and then it can move out of this zone, so there will be a further fall. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, I've clearly mentioned you that 102 is a strong level, and if the price started sustaining above a level of 104.5, we can see there will be a sharp rise because there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. So a level of around 103.9 is a strong buy side position or a upside position. So I have clearly told you that if the price started going upside, dollar index, we will see the gold price will come down. Okay, and the election day was there, so we have seen the dollar getting more stronger. Okay, that is where the price of gold has come down. Now till the time, if suppose if it comes again towards a level of 104.6, it can bounce back again because the price is already made a half around $105.4. Okay, so if the price comes close to this level, we can see a bounce back can come, or if started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards 103.5, and then a further fall we can see towards $101.9. Okay, and then a bounce back can come from this level, but if started falling below this level, then we can see a further downfall. But if started keep sustaining this level, we can see it can go towards 106, and from there a further upside movement we can see. So remember, 104.6 is a level. If it's down bounce back from this level, we can see a bounce back, but if started falling below this level, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 103.2, and from there a level of 101.9. Okay, and 101.9 if started falling, then a further downfall we can see towards a level of 100.9, and then further fall. Okay, remember, if the price of dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold comes down. Okay, and if the price of dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price can come up. Okay, whenever you start your trade, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. you can join that too. Understand something, that whenever you start your trade, always try to put your SL. Okay, and once you are in profit, try to trail the profit, so you can save your profit. This is what you should be doing it. Okay, and keep this for every trade what you do. Okay, now coming back on the dollar index, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are high it will go towards a level of $2674, which is already being tested. So it will go further upside and can touch a level of 2684 after this level. Okay, and once started sustaining this level, this is a strong resistance, so a bounce back can come from this level. Then the price of 2674 will again come. If the price it can go below a level of 2656, then it can further fall towards 2637, then to a level of 2636. Okay, and once started falling below this level, a further fall. But as soon as the price started hitting above 2684, a further upside we can see towards $2697. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $2721. Okay, and if that sustain above that level, we can see a level of $2739. Okay, suppose if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 2647 will be there, and this level is already being tested, so chances of further upside we can see towards a level of $2672 will be there, and once started $2772 will be there, and after that a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so you have to understand that once the price started going over this level, a further upside towards 2774 will be there, and then a further high. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, the price can go further fall towards $2660. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $2655. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 2632, and then we will see that the price was a strong support. So if it started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2605, which is already being tested, so chances of further fall we can see, and then we can see it can go towards $2591, and then from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around 2584, and then a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.